Hello, hello everybody. This is Francisco Martinez for Java 2 Project 2, and we were supposed to make a simple CRUD app that can go from one activity to the next using intents, as well as share the information onto a different app. Um, we were also supposed to add, delete, and edit any kind of information that is within the app too. So I'm going to use my device right now. I have it on a mirroring program. There's my app. And so I already have something up there. So this is a perfect example for me to delete something. If I wanted to delete the whole list, I could just press that, delete the sample data, say OK, and everything is gone. If I wanted to add something, I could go in here, add this. Um, and alright, so and what I can do is when it comes to saving it, I can use this arrow or this arrow. So I'm going to use the top arrow for now. As you can see, it saves it. One of the issues that I have though is trying to actually save the information from the from the edit activity to the list, and it only saves one thing. I saw it within a tutorial, so I thought I could figure it out how to do it with multiple lines, but unfortunately that didn't work out. Um, the next thing I can do is actually edit this. Okay. So now I'm going to press the bottom arrow to save it, and as you can see, it gets saved. If I click on it, go over here. Now, before I delete everything, I can actually open it within a second app, and as you can see, I can choose from each one of these. Just go with the Gmail for now. But I still have an issue with that one too, because it shows up as if it's like a number, like maybe it's getting it from the actual memory instead. So yeah, I still need to fix that. And then I can just delete it. So now everything's deleted. Um, these are my two activities, my main activity and my edit activity. Now I was kind of confused as to where I should set this up. I didn't know if it was fine to set it up in the edit activity or in the main activity, but the edit activity does have the button for the let me bring this up real quick. It does have the share button, which is 2-second app. That's what I called it. So yeah, I felt like it was best to put it there. Other than that, everything seems to work better than I thought. This was a tough week trying to figure out everything, but it seems like everything works fine. I was still trying to figure out how to set this up in a read-only screen, but the professor said it was fine the way it was, so I'm leaving it as it is. And like I said, the only issues was sending the information onto the list view so that when somebody actually taps the selection, all the information will show up again, and also when somebody taps on the second app button, it would send all the information onto a different app. So I have kind of high hopes for this week. Hopefully I do good this week. I am kind of looking forward to the last project, and yeah, so you guys have a good night.